Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free of cost video editor with 4K resolution saving options for Android. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store. In the Play Store just search for one application named as BN Video Editor. Just search this application. On the first list you can see the BN Video Editor Curve Blogger. Just tap on it. Now you can see it's totally free of cost. So when you can see in the below it's written it's a top 6 free in video editors and players. So just click on install to firstly install it. Wait for a few seconds. So once the installation is done, click on open. So just click on skip the ad on the right top corner. Now you can see it will ask some permissions to access your gallery. Just click on allow. So you can see it's user interface, right? So on the below you can see a home button, you can see a adding button, and you can click on the new project. You can choose a story or template. So just click on the new project and you can just select your respective video which you want to edit. Click on proceed. So now you can see a video, and below you can see a thumbnails which looks almost similar like the computer video editors. So you can see here. So on the below I'll just give you a quick overview. What are the options you are getting? You are getting a templates, so you can choose a template here depending upon what kind of templates you want. You can download it also if you have internet connections. And the second option is a filter. So you can choose a filter. You can change the color of your video. So you can give a filters and you can just apply it. And on the next to it is a speed. So if you want to increase or decrease the speed, then you can just increase or decrease just by when you pull it up, it will just increase the speed. So you can see the movement of the water is very fast. So if you want to keep it in the normal positions, then you can just keep it. So if you want a slow down, just right here you can just bring it to the bottommost, so you can see and just bring in the slow motion. So you can just increase or decrease the speed of your video by using these options. So the next is the split option. So to split, you need to select some portion, and you can see the split is activated. Now if you click on the split, it will just cut it on the respective white marking line area. So the next to it is a trim. So you can just select the area or any locations which area you want to trim. So you can trim, and you can, once you are done, then you can just click on the tick mark, and next to it you can see here FX. So it's a visual effects. So how you want to give a visual effects, so depending upon how you want, you can give a visual effects. Lots of effects are there. So this is all about the VFX. And now next to it is options to delete if you want to delete something. And here is the next option to it is a volume. You can increase and decrease the volume, or you can just increase in some area, just decrease in some area. You can do in the fade in and fade out also. So this is all about volume. And next to it is background. You can give a background, you can change any colors if you want to change the colors, or you can add a image background also to it. So just next to it is a crop. So if you want to crop some video portions, you can just change the layout and thing depending upon which social media or any social video uploading websites. You can just select anything like the TikToks, Instagrams. For the YouTubes you can choose the presets, or even you can just set your own customization resolutions. So next to it is a mirror. If you want to just mirror it, then you can just mirror it, and even you can flip the video. If you're having some orientation problems in your video, then you can just use the flip. And next to it is the press. You can just press it, and you can just reverse the area also. Just now it's clicking, I'll just click on cancel right now. You can just zoom the area zoom in, zoom out, zoom left, zoom right, move up. You can just do anything, whatever you like to zoom past later, and you can just click on the forward to forward this video. Now let's look in the thumbnails. Now you can see in the thumbnails, the first option is saying it's a music. If you see on the music, you can see a music options. You can even record, even you can add effects, even you can add your audio files. And next to it below, you can see a text file. When you tap on the text file, you can give a video titles or any descriptions you want to mention in the video. Then you can use this options like the subtitles. If you want, also you can use these text options to add the title or the ending part of the video, or any descriptions you want to mention, or even if you want to edit time or locations, you can use this text option. And below it is a picture options, so that you can use any background or video in the video itself. So you can use this option to add a video or pictures within your video, or you can add stickers also if you want to add any stickers like emojis, anything, then you can choose the stickers applications. So I have almost shown you all the features here, and you can see on the right corner there is a undo button. If you want to undo something, then you can just undo those which you have automatically applied or which you have applied, and you want to revert it back, then you can just click on this reverse arrow icons. So, and even you can see a play. If you want to check the playing, then you can check the video by playing or previewing it. So once your all settings is done, you can see on the right top corner export. Just click on it. Under the export, you will see here the first option is the export original. That means you want to export it exactly the same resolution which the original video has. So if you want to export it as a 4K, now you can see option resolution here. Right now it's the video original video size is 1080. Now if you want to import it as a 4K, just select it to the 4K. If you want to increase the FPS also, just increase to the 60 FPS. If you want to increase the bitrate to the maximum, then you can just choose all the high, but I will keep it as default, and I will keep the FPS on 30 because it will take more time. Because for your reference, I will just keeping it like this, but you can choose the FPS to 60, and even the bitrate you can choose to the high. And you can save this resolution also for your future reference if you want to save. Now once your all settings is done, click on this tick mark options. Now you need to wait for some minutes until the complete rendering or the exporting of this video is completed. So wait for some minutes until the complete process is done. So finally our exporting of our video as a 4K video has been successfully done. Now you can just give a title. You can just give a title, or you can add any title. Just you can save it, and you can save it to the album also if you want to save. Now you can see video will be saved to the album. So let us go to the gallery or the photos application. Now you can see the edited video. So this is the edited video. So let us check its details. Now let us check its details. So I will show you its details. Now you can see here in the details section, the resolutions of this video size is 3840 into 2160 pixels. That means it's a 4K resolution. So let us move back, and I'll just show you the original video. So here you can see the original video. So let me try to show you its video details. So you can see here 1920 into 1080. So the original video is in the full HD, but we have successfully exported the original video as a 4K. So let me show you by going back again the details. So you can see here 3840 into 2160. So using this free of cost video editor, which provide you the 4K resolution saving options for Android devices, you can easily import your any full HD video or any 2K video or any 720p videos as a 4K video. So if you never known about this cool and very useful free of cost video editor, then you should definitely try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.